of what is in embedded is either hidden behind the main product, and therefore it's very hard to understand what's the perceived value of insurance in that product. So let me give you an example, right? So when I get a credit card and I get some travel benefits, the travel benefits allows us to position the credit card as a travel card. Now, if I really break it down, and the customer pays, let's say, €3 a month as credit card fees, how much of that fees do they actually associate to insurance? And I think that's where the main problem is, because so far insurance was being offered as a kind of a hidden freebie within the main product. And therefore, it's very important to understand what is the value associated with it, and are we actually delivering the value? Because while it may be initially quite easy to sell the main product with a hidden insurance benefit within it, uh, but eventually it catches up to you in the form of reputational risk, because either the customer doesn't use the product enough or doesn't get the right service for it. So in order to balance that, you need to have the right cover, explain it quite clearly, and then make sure that it's being used enough. I think we fall into the trap of, in trying to maximize profitability, that we actually maximize what's the expense within the insurance that is possible to take out, rather than also maximizing how usable the product is. It's important to uh, ensure there's the right value that's delivered and it's communicated in the correct way. And to me, the ecosystem is, going to underline the whole delivery. And I'm separating the execution from the strategy here, because if you get the strategy right, then the execution is as good as you are at execution, and that will define the success.